Alright guys, Yin Yang News Now. Yin Yang News Now. Walton County Health Department. Out here with Rice Krispies. Surreal Camera. Dr. Sean Berry. Rogue Nation. Blind Justice. And Alabama Transparency. So
going to try and trespass.
And also, you know about the VARS report? Like the adverse reaction to vaccinations report? Do you have any of that? I just want to know what it was. Perfect, thank you.
Awesome. What is it? Lactation file?
Oh, that's,
Yeah. Huh? They got hand sanitizer. Cool.
I like your sign, happy to help.
we're out here at the health department where Rogue Nation was trespassed. See if they will trespass us.
Right. Mine has a HIPAA filter. Just so you know, man, when there's like HIPAA, that's something that the medical office in the
On your mask? No mask like this. You don't use a mask on your neck. You don't have to hook it onto your ears. You don't have to
get that light on the monitor so they can't see.
grab a couple of them.
So it's
I got $3.
sort of test to make sure that you're picking up parameters, stuff, you know what I mean?
See, like right here, it's got a mask in with it.
No problem.
And it's, early detection is the best protection for breast cancer. Oh, nice. You know, because October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
So they give you like a,
You see just a little bag, just got a
bag?
bag, with a mask,
Oh, nice.
a strap, and a little pin that, you know, that, like I said, it says, early detection is the best protection for cervical cancer, breast cancer, and they got all these pamphlets, you know, they got, breast cancer awareness pamphlets, they've got the,
yeah, my aunt passed away from breast cancer, so.
to help, yeah, my wife's grandmother did. Yeah, so guys, they got this stuff that you can come in and this is a thing about healthy eating. And there's a lot of good information here, guys, on breast cancer and any kind of cancer. Really.
My name's Jay, nice to meet you. Yeah, just working on a story, just looking around. One of my aunts passed away from breast cancer.
So we got some breast cancer awareness stuff here.
I would like to take this
October is breast cancer awareness, guys.
What was your first name?
And
Holly, nice to meet you, Holly. Thank you.
Well, glad to hear, we do have patients and who do not do any.
Yeah, I'm not interested in any other patients, I understand.
Because they do have privacy.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So, but you don't need to take any of our patients, okay? So if y'all wanna move this way, we appreciate it, okay? No
Yeah.
patients.
Yeah, we're just here in the accessible, in the lobby accessible areas, you know what I mean? We're not going in any restricted areas.
Yes,
or
no
anything.
glass, please. This is where our patients are.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you.
Yes, if y'all could come back this way, I would appreciate it. We do have patients. You could come back this way. We've got patients behind the glass. If you could come this way. And
Yeah,
take your
yeah, yeah,
pictures,
no,
that's fine.
we're not interested in that, yeah, we're not interested in that, we're not filming them, you know. You see, look, this is cool, they have the, for breast cancer.
Yeah, yeah, they got a
breast
lanyard.
cancer awareness. Yeah, I got one of these from my aunt.
My name is Ben. Oh, I recognize your name from the other gentleman who came by.
They got
I was just explaining the nice.
band of flames on it at the counter. It's a nice band. My grandpa, I call her my grandmother, she's the only grandmother I ever had, it's my wife's grandmother. She'll call me grandson, she's always, she'll call me my granddaughter's husband, she's always calling me my grandson. Heartbreaking.
Así adelante, sin miedo.
Very important.
Están grabando, pero no importa. Ellos no le van a grabar a
Breast
usted.
cancer, it's awesome.
Yeah, that's awesome, it really is. As a matter of fact, one of my tattoos.
Let's go this way, if y'all don't mind. We've got patients in here.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, we have a
You
new.
see, I got a, you see the pink ribbon right there, it says Martha? That she passed away, and so that's it right there.
We've all been touched,
Yeah.
unfortunately.
Oh, I know, we've got more people. The governor's wife actually has breast cancer right now here in the state of Florida. Are y'all from Florida?
Yes, ma'am, I am. I just came in because I saw the flag is flying full staff and General Colin Powell died yesterday. We should put that at half
Well, we
staff.
probably should.
And
I'll
the
have to
nice
get with
lady,
my facilities person.
I think she called me. She's very helpful up front. And I was also explaining to her about HIPAA and how that's on you, that's your responsibility. If my grandma come and gets treatment here,
Yes.
and I wanna check and make sure that her records are being secure, I could come in and record it and make sure that you flip those files over. Make sure that you're whispering if I'm within earshot about treatment. Make sure that there are screens on that computer monitor so I can't see it at a certain angle.
Correct.
You know, so that's part of your training, and how do we know if you're doing it right? Unless we check.
And that's
That's why
fine.
these
The only thing we
public-
ask is that you don't, take pictures of our patients.
Yeah, we're not trying to.
Yeah,
And just
yeah,
like in a
It's our
library,
patient's bill of rights.
right, in the limited public forum, just like in a library, if I were to go up to somebody and look over their shoulder and say, hey, what book are you reading? Kick me out right away. Same here. If I'm, hey, what are you in here for? Kick me out. But right now, what we're doing, just walking through the open lobby, if there's somebody who's going into a secured area, unless we follow them in there,
Right.
like,
We're very proud of our health department. We're actually a federally qualified health center too, so we're very proud of it. We-
No,
we
you
take
guys
care
have
of a
been
lot of
very, very
patients.
nice and very helpful, and we appreciate that.
Yes.
Sometimes we get workers that, they see a camera, they give us attitudes, they call the
And
cops,
sometimes-
and it's like, you guys have been great, and we appreciate that very
and
much.
we
Well,
had a
our-
friend of ours who was illegally trespassed from here, and we all make mistakes, but it's how we correct that mistake
Well-
that measures us.
And it's not really, I think the problem before is the person was probably taking some things. I was not here that day, but I do know that there were some patients behind the glass. And that's what concerns us, man. We
So
don't care if you
that should be-
video the.
Could you put
Instead
curtains
of-
up?
we're-
Instead of calling the crime fighters to deal with that person who's not committing a crime, say, okay, we slipped up, we should have curtains up on these windows so they can't see it from the other side.
Well,
You know?
the thing though, if you think about it,
I think I may have
people like to.
exceeded the weight limit on the
yeah, when
elevator.
they're waiting.
Okay.
It was making fun of me.
Uh-oh.
Just
For
to be
patients
fair,
as well.
what possible information could we be getting if that person is just sitting there waiting?
Yeah, but you don't understand. We see all kinds of
Victims and-
individuals.
yeah.
Yes, we
I understand.
see everybody. We're a federally qualified health center and a county health department, so we have every program here you could imagine.
Well, yeah, filming is it's a first amendment, it's freedom of the press. So that's like
Yes, it
if, so
is.
that's
It
like
is.
if somebody's sitting there right now and they turn around and they see me walking with a black shirt on and they say, hey, look, I don't want that guy here because he's wearing a black shirt. It's the same thing as if I'm holding a camera.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Well, the
Because this
main
is
thing for
protected,
me
you know what I mean?
is I want my patients taken care
Oh, no, of course, and we're not bothering them,
No,
you know.
no,
what I
you're
mean?
not
We're
right.
not.
No, definitely
We
not.
won't-
I have a
we won't
This is a
bother.
great
photographic
place.
memory.
This is a great place.
I have a photographic memory, so if I go into a park and I don't even have a camera, and I see something that I'm not supposed to, I can still see it. and I'm still allowed in there without a camera,
And
right?
he can go home and.
So
text
I
the
should be
exact
allowed
same
in there.
thing he saw in his mind.
But we
With
do
the
have a
camera.
policy for that, so
Right.
that's where we are with
But
it.
we
But I
have a
appreciate
law
y'all
for
coming in and
Yeah,
doing
yeah.
everything, because we do have a
We
nice,
have-
nice building.
And we have no ill will intent or nothing,
Oh,
we're just
yeah.
working on a story, and
Sure.
we're very happy with how you guys have been treating us, and we like this, for breast cancer. because
They also have
I think
a dental
we have
clinic on the
customers
second
that
floor,
pass
too.
away from it, so-
You went up there?
Yeah.
We thank you guys very
Snuck
much.
by and then,
I
would
just
you
walked
walk
up
up?
the stairs there. We have it right at the public area there.
Yeah,
I think all you have to do is pick up your shirt and be like, you know what? We wanna go.
vital statistics, it says it right
Yeah,
there.
dental clinic is on the left when you go across the bridge. Dental clinic is on the left and the vital statistics on the right. And
She's waving.
Again, we all make mistakes.
She directed me to the state's,
Are you sorry, huh?
she directed me to the state's vital statistics webpage, so.
All right,
What's your name?
Wayne?
all right,
We all have a good day.
all right, you too, take care, okay?
If you don't mind me asking,
Excuse me?
who's that woman?
Oh, she works with us. She's taking a break.
Oh, okay, we can hear your name.
Well, right now, she's taking a break, so I'm not gonna, we're good, we're good.
Oh, I need to.
Well, there's the elevator, there's the elevator right here, you go ask her.
Everybody's name and-
She's waving.
Well, I'm putting in a
I'm
public
on
record.
hold, just put my name in.
Well, Florida State Statute 119.01 allows me to get the information I'm requesting. Now, I want everybody's name who works here.
So you want people's name that work here?
Yes, I want their first and last names, please.
And like he said, that is a
Okay,
Florida
well, let's
statute,
go
Florida
outside
state
and
law.
we'll get that information, because it's gonna take me a while to get all
Would you
that.
like
Well,
her name?
all you gotta do is take down my email address and you can email it.
Yeah,
to me
you
and
can
I'll
Okay,
get it.
let's do that then.
Awesome.
Go ahead and give us a card, Debbie,
But
if you don't mind.
if
and
you
we'll
know
give
her
us
name,
email.
it's readily available. If you could just give me her
I
name.
just don't know.
Okay, right on. Right.
You have, no, we can't write on that. You got something else that you can pay for something you didn't know about?
I just need her name, because she was taking some videos and pictures of
No,
us.
she's not. She's got my phone. She's got my phone. I gave it to her to take a break with.
Okay,
No, she's
well,
not taking anything, I promise.
oh, I can't accept the promise. I
That's
just need,
perfectly fine. I can accept your email. You can accept my promise.
okay, can you write it down, please?
Sure.
Thanks. Rights, R-I-G-H-T-S, as in know your rights.
Okay.
Crispy, spelled correctly with C.
Okay.
C-R-I-S-P.
Okay.
I think Dr. Sean went upstairs.
I know she's taking
And
pictures of it, cause I got it on my video.
I'd like a few things now, because, I mean, you could just stop resisting, give me her name. I wanna get that
I bet
video
you
that she's
Dr.
done.
Sean's up with her now.
I promise
Yeah.
you did not take
He
the
has-
video.
Yeah, I got it on video now.
You've been
There's
there,
my email address, or like he said, I want the same record request he's
Well,
getting.
if she's got that on video, I will talk with her, because she knows she's not supposed to be doing that.
exactly.
Okay, so I'll
Exactly,
take
it's
care of
gonna-
that.
Well, I'm not saying
You can
video,
take-
she
you
could have
can
been
take-
taking pictures, but I know she had that phone, I don't know if it's your phone, her phone.
That's my phone,
His
because I
phone,
gave it to
yeah,
her when I was coming down.
But she was standing there with the phone pointing down at us.
Yeah,
Well, I will take care of that. You've
And
got
I mean, I
my
can't
number.
swear that she took a picture,
Uh-huh,
but why else would she be holding the phone? You know,
because I
pointing-
gave it to
No,
her.
no, pointing down here at us.
I
right.
don't know, but I'll take care of
Yeah,
that.
That's what I'm saying, it's a
I'll-
little
I'm the
hypocritical
one
for
for
you to be
it.
telling us not to
I will
record
take-
and then she's doing
Oh,
it.
yeah. Listen, I'll take care of that if you
Go ahead,
know
man.
me.
Yeah, go ahead, go
I'm a
ahead.
person of my word.
Okay.
Okay?
So I want another record, you know the DARS report? Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, for the jail, please.
Thank you guys for the breast.
That will have to go through, I believe, Tallahassee.
Nice.
So we have to, what we need to do is get you to fill out a records request for that.
Yeah, I can put it in right now here verbally.
We have to give you a form to fill out for that.
In that same law,
Mhm.
it's against the law
Okay,
for you
why don't
to
you
add
do-
any obstacles or any additional steps. I should be able to just give it to you verbally, write it down. So you
Shall
can
I-
say,
can I
"You
slave
can
some
write-
upstairs,
and write-
Rosemary?"
okay, we do this
Yeah.
all-
Rosemary?
Yes, the right way to do
Her
it.
name is Mary?
Rosemary.
Yeah, she's very nice, so.
Yeah, she waved at me a couple times.
For
So.
the jail, and for here, you have one for here.
Okay, cool.
And all the names?
The VERS form for the jail, and what else?
And for here, and all the names of all the employees. And their salaries too.
Hey, Miss Hope, will you give me $1 if I can tell you what her name is? I know her name.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, you give me
We,
$1?
we know her first
Her name
name.
is Rosemary.
Oh, okay, Rosemary.
See, I said,
Did she give that to you?
To the other guy.
I don't answer questions.
Well, I can't give you $1. I'm on work time.
Right.
And
So
on-
that was
she
just a
employees
joke. That was just a joke.
salaries?
Yes, and any recordings that were taken on your phone or Rosemary's phone today. Whether it be pictures or video. That's it, for me. I don't know if these guys have anything.
I gave her my card.
This is your email, right?
Yes, and-
RoseChristie@gmail.com.
Correct,
You
and
need
just,
the various form for jail and here,
yes,
and names of employees and salaries and any recordings on my phone.
or
Rosemary's phone.
That was my phone.
Right.
perhaps it's your phone, perhaps it was hers, maybe you didn't see when she was recording it,
Now,
so.
why did she put yours in her pocket, took hers out?
Right.
I mean, you know, there's
That's all I'm saying,
Yeah.
just for, we have attention to detail here.
Okay, and so this person needs.
And that's mine, and my address, my email's at the bottom, I want the same thing he's got.
Okay, and so what I will do, we will get this to you as soon as I can get it together.
Okay.
Okay?
Now, the first email I expect is a confirmation of what I requested. Just maybe later on today, hey, this is what you asked for, just to be clear, and I'll say, yes, please proceed. Thank you.
Okay, and probably what I'm gonna need from you too is actually a text of confirmation.
Yeah.
There may be forms that need to be filled out for
Again,
request.
that's something that would be putting an extra obstacle on my statutory right, and it's against the law for you to do that. If that's all you need from me, I don't need to do anything else. I should just be getting the confirmation of what you requested. I say, yeah, that's what I want, and then within a reasonable amount of time, get all that info.
Yeah.
No other
Let me
hoops
ask,
to
this
jump
is
through.
Harriet. Yes,
Hi, Harriet.
Hi.
So these gentlemen would like confirmation.
Hi, I'm Jay, nice to meet you.
Well, actually, I've got to send a confirmation here to them in just a little bit, but they're here. So, they would like the VAERS form from the jail, that's our, for our adverse reactions.
Identification.
And please, I invite you to talk to your county's council and confirm all this. That's part of the reasonable amount of time that you have to give me back the records.
Oh,
They'll
yes,
tell
we
you
definitely-
what is allowed. Right now, we could go back and forth and I can explain to you what's allowed, but it's easily cleared up by your
And
council.
protection goes for both sides.
Yeah.
It's for you all and it's for us. It's for everybody.
Why do you think I'm doing this on my day off?
That's why-
It's important.
Protection's for everybody.
So is that flag. That's very important to me too.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
He wants the flag to come down a little bit because of the half mast.
It is, I just got an email and
Yeah,
I've been
thank
at the South Walton and I'll bring it down.
I
Come on through then, sorry, please don't video.
Yeah.
Turn it off,
Huh?
please don't.
No, that's, ma'am, in that position, you can't say turn it off.
Yeah, you can do, this is public, this is a public place.
Yeah, but she may not want to be on video.
Right.
You need to ask
Yeah,
her.
that's-
You need to ask
Yeah,
her.
but if you were to ask everybody, I mean, there's cameras
It's not,
everywhere.
but
Yeah,
it's-
Yeah, but we
It's a
have to
public
protect
Education
people.
request.
We're not gonna.
If this was,
we won't-
Okay, so we'll get this to
She
y'all,
can ask me,
okay?
and she can tell me, hey, Carol, you and your official